Hi everybody, Bam Bam here from MarineMax in Jacksonville. And today we're going to go over an extremely unique boat from Boston Whaler. This is the 2024 350 Realm. It's an incredible family boat because it combines incredible creature comforts and fishing amenities all in one extremely capable vessel. We're going to start back here with the power plant. This boat is powered by triple Mercury 400 horsepower V10 joystick piloting engines. That's a mouthful, but what it means is you've got an extremely high performance boat with nimble control using that joystick, which also incorporates an autopilot and a virtual anchor system called Skyhook. Let's take a look back here, and I'm going to show you a couple of the really unique creature comfort features. First, we're going to start with this chill box. So this is a great place for drinks and to keep food, and you don't necessarily have to keep ice in it. It's fully chilled, and when you fill it up and we close it, you've got an easy access door to get drinks in and out. You don't have to lift up the entire seat. You've also got this awesome grill back here in the cockpit where the lid forms a nice little countertop work surface for you, so you can kind of cook out and make lunch. While we're looking at the cockpit, you're going to notice rod holders in the gunnels and also on the hardtop legs as well, giving you some really great fishing features. There's a dive door on the port side, and the dive door ladder stores right under here against the back bench seat that folds down, so it's easy access to get to the ladder. A lot of boats keep those ladders in the bilge and in compartments that are hard to get to. Whaler makes it extremely easy for you. We're going to move forward now into the cockpit, and we're going to see some really unique seating here from Boston Whaler. So we've got this really comfortable seat facing forward. We're just going to fold that backrest, flip it the other way. Now we're in the cockpit right here, and you'll notice there's some air conditioning vents to keep you cool. There's some more AC vents up at the helm, and of course we've got air conditioning down in the cabin. So it's a really neat space on a hot day. You can extend the shade, the power shade that retracts at the press of a button and keep some sun off the cockpit as well. But here's what's really neat. The helm seat will spin around, and now you can place a table in here, have a dinette, sit and have a great place for lunch and talk with your family and friends. We're going to spin this back around and take a look at some more features here at the helm. We've got a nice wine cooler, storage right here, freshwater sink with a worktop, lots of cup holders, and of course now we're looking at this well-equipped helm station here for this 350 Realm. You've got the joystick controls right here. We've got twin Simrad displays, and this boat has up on top a 48-inch open array halo radar with automatic bird mode, and we also have a FLIR camera on this boat. That's a thermal night vision camera as well to aid in navigating in the wee hours of the morning. What's nice and convenient up at the helm is we've got a refrigerator right here. Don't have to go far from the helm to grab a cool drink, and of course rod holders everywhere. We can take a look at the cabin down below, which is fully air conditioned, very comfortable, has a color TV and a complete stand-up head. Real nice spot to get out of the sun, or if you want to overnight for a fishing trip or trip to the Bahamas, just a weekend out with the family. Now we're going to take a peek at the bow and show you what's really neat about this. In addition to the premium audio system from JL, where you see speakers everywhere, we've got a remote control for the stereo here, so we can adjust tunes without having to go back into the cockpit or the helm. We've got this huge lounger with armrests that fold down with cup holders, a teak table that will fold down and complete a sun lounger, or use it as a dinette, whatever works for you. We also have a bow shade on this boat, which will attach to the top and cover the entire bow area to get your family out of the sun. So if you're looking for that true family boat that's got really great fishing amenities, rugged, durable build of a Boston Whaler, which is the best of the best, come see this 350 Realm at MarineMax in Jacksonville. Give us a call at 904-545-5310 if you'd like to take a look at this boat. Thank you.